Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. In today's recipe video, I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to make your Brussels sprouts taste extra delicious at Christmas time. We've got a delicious mix of salty pancetta, Brussels sprouts, lemon, roasted garlic and shallots, and just a few other things, but believe me, this is incredibly easy to make and all your guests at Christmas time will love you for it. So let's go. Okay, you'll want to begin by preheating your oven to 225 Celsius and adding 450 grams of Brussels sprouts to an oven-proof dish. For maximum caramelization, I like to make sure that the Brussels sprouts are flush to the bottom of the baking dish. And then add 60 grams of pancetta to the Brussels sprouts. I like to make sure that this is the finest pancetta I can find, ideally organic. And then you will slice the pancetta up and then just evenly drop it over the Brussels sprouts. Add 2 minced garlic cloves, a dash of black pepper, and then a drizzle of olive oil. Using your hand, make sure everything is well mixed together. You'll then want to place the pancetta back on top of it's kind of mixed or clumped all together. And then, of course, make sure the Brussels sprouts are flush to the baking tray. Place 2 half shallots on each corner of the baking tray. And then once that is done, you're ready to place in the oven for 25 minutes. Halfway through, make sure you take the Brussels sprouts out and then add 180 grams of cooked chestnuts. And then give everything a good stir before you pop it back in the oven for the remaining time. After 25 minutes, remove your Brussels sprouts from the oven. Give everything a good stir again and then leave to cool for a minute or 2. You'll then need to add 60 milliliters of chicken stock. Pour this over everything and then give it a good mix using whatever you have on hand. I like to make sure that all the brown bits on the side are all kind of scraped into the dish. This just adds more flavour to the Brussels sprouts and in my opinion it's extra delicious. To finish things off, add a squeeze of lemon and then your Brussels sprouts are ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, then make sure you check out our goat cheese and pine nut stuffed mushrooms, which will also make for a great Christmas recipe too. If you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and make sure you check out our playlist, Tasty Primal Meals.